Exercise 9.2, question number 13. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. So there is a circular flower bed which is surrounded by the path which is 4 meter wide. Now the diameter of the flower bed is 66 meters. The diameter is given. What is the area of the path? Now we need to find out the area of this path. So how we can find out the area of the path is we need to find the area of outer circle and inner circle. By subtracting their areas, we can get the area of the remaining path. So we can write down here that area of path is equals to area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle. So first of all, we have to find out area of the smaller circle here. So area of smaller circle is equals to pi r square. Value of pi is given as 3.14. Radius, diameter is 66. So radius will be 33. That is 66 by 2. So pi into r. So this is the area of smaller circle. Then area of bigger circle. For that, we need to find out the radius first. Now we know that radius of the smaller one is 33 centimeter. Now radius of the bigger circle will be 33 plus 4. As we move from here, the radius of smaller circle is 33 and the width of the path is 4. So radius of bigger circle will be 37 centimeter, 37 meters. Now area of bigger circle pi r square, value of pi 3.14 into radius 37 into 37. Now to find area of path, we will write down area of path is equals to pi r square, that is area of bigger circle, minus pi small r square. We can take pi as common here. So r square minus r square, pi value 3.14. Now 37 square area of bigger circle minus 33 square area of smaller circle. Now here we have to apply the squares. So 37 square minus 33 square. So we need to find out the square of 37. First of all, 7 sevens are 49, 4 carry, 7 3s are 21 and 4, 25, 7 3s are 21, 2, 3 3s are 9 and 2, 11. So 9, 6, 3, 1. So square of 37 is 1369. Then square of 33 we have to find out. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Same 99, 9, 998, 18. So we get 1089 is the square of 33. Now when we will subtract, so what do we get is 3.14 multiply 9 minus 9 0, 16 minus 8 8, then 2. So we get 280. Now we can remove this point, place 100 here, 0 0 cancelled. Now we can just multiply 314 with 28. So we have 314 multiplied 28 divide by 10. 314 we have to multiply by 28 to get the answer. 8 fours are 32, 3 carry, 8 ones are 8 and 3, 11, 8 threes are 24 and 1, 25. Now this is 4 twos are 8, 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6. So this will be 2978. So we have 879.2 meter square as the area of the path.